Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the lower formula in Excel. To begin, open your Excel workbook and identify the cell containing the text you wish to convert. The lower function is a simple text function that transforms all uppercase characters within a specified text string into their lowercase equivalents. It's incredibly helpful for cleaning up data and ensuring uniformity across your spreadsheets, making your data analysis much smoother. Let's dive into the basic syntax. The formula is quite simple: equals lower followed by an open parenthesis, then the text you want to convert, and finally a closing parenthesis. You can either type the text directly within quotation marks like "Hello World," or, more commonly, reference a cell containing the text, such as A1. This flexibility allows for quick application across many cells. Now let's see it in action. Imagine a column of product names, some in all caps. In an adjacent cell, type equals lower, then select the first product name cell, for instance, B2. Press Enter. You'll immediately see the text converted to all lowercase. Then simply drag the fill handle down to apply this transformation to your entire list, saving you significant manual effort. The lower function offers significant benefits for data management. It helps standardize text entries, which is crucial for accurate sorting, filtering, and analysis. For example, if you import data from various sources, capitalization can be inconsistent. Using lower ensures all entries are uniform, preventing errors and improving the reliability of your reports. It's a small function with a big impact on data quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.